so been privileged again to all the federating units of PNTM for being trust in me and elected me as a president, and also my esteemed colleagues who are being dedicated for these 3 years tenures, 2018 to 2021. Rakovishoni, Iro, Lelu Hodamra, Dini, Lucheshoni Pumnani, Leader Ali, Eletso Papuini, Hajurokute, Sa, Upui Vano, Pumai Ito unit Matohinza Kaloponobe. Secondly, I want to thank to my esteemed colleague, Ini Vaso Biju our executive colleagues Mato, from the day we start our office till this moment, consistently they have been supported, they have been sacrificing in and out, day in. Via Hoju Domoni, Ito Pumaina Doni, PNTM Doni Tini, Darkatili, Ito with effort loni, Viaju, Patahali Chomono sacrifice Sokupini. Chuchu ito PNTM, Joe Haif Jabubuni, Mahajo Vidie, Chuchu could happy my successor, don't know ito esteemed colleagues meto avi. Kaloponobe, Neto Lumokuza, I cannot do alone. Without the support of the units, we executive are nothing. But since you have been elected us, we promise from the day one that we will never fail our PNTM, the organizations. We want to make proud, and that is our commitment and sacrifice that we have been taking off. My tribunal members, my seniors leaders, assembly affairs, and all the seniors who have been constantly supporting us. We are not being divided anymore, but we are being united day after day. We have been started encouraging one another, appreciating one another, and that is the reason today I'm able to stand here proudly. We started our year 2018 March in ito tenor has started the executive councils we sit together. Ito dada vasulage tini year planner hakini sopa bupaki major even asole conduct sole apart from daily activities, emergencies, accident case, death case, dear and dear issues. We sini ito the day one hini chukute ito we head office karon hi ito we head office ni head office vision station so ni ito office hana ko ni pumay do ni tin sacrifice so let ni ito executive tenants mato so to so ni bu ni office ni ja voku ni ja hotel ko ni voku hotel le ko ni meeting so mo ito office vision ni meeting so no vawe chi ni office ni pi paleti ito commitment na palu juki. First year we conducted student career counseling, and one of the biggest student crowd that we have been witness. More than thousands of students around Senapati districts, they came. The students from even the villages also they came. We conducted career counselings with a huge number of students. Then in the latter part of the second year, ito PNTM maito, lai doju bento, zi doju maito, do teko, po mai na Ito student conference ali conduct so late. After a long prolonged years, we able to achieve our conference meet at Sarname village. And I'm being thankful to all the units again for participating, for giving cooperation at that time. In every events, there are some few failures, but that is also a big achievement where every unit cooperated with us. Coming down to this final year, ito with tenor hai chejubele ko March ko chibele. The long dream, the cherished dreams that we sit for more than 2 years, 2.5 years, we would like to conduct one of the mega events which is loved by everyone, loved by every Pome, young and old, waiting for the sports meet. When is going to be PNTM sports meet to be held? My wish in not my wish in PNTM tournament hana koju hai. We don't want to organize in such an unorganized events, but we want to organize where we can able to improve things, the standard, the play skills, and even the grounds, everything. So we have been planning since 2.5 years. And today, every one of you, every one of us witnessing, creating a history in the history of PNTM events, that 58 units participate for the first time in the PNTM tournament. Shall we all give a round of applause for every one of us together? That is the envisioning of the executive tenors with the support of the elders. Ju, ito, hosu wilai biju maito, ito, ve approach ju paki, host village maito no asas no exception no. They have been spending, investing in terms of lakhs and crore to make this event success. I'm been so thankful for the Purul Paisho that they take such a extra sweat to make this program success. Ito Purul maito no. In the past, we used to play in 2 playgrounds, and where a lot of stones are being seen, the players got hurt. But this time, we able to make 3 standardized playground where every ground are as it is. So, ju ini awi ita pom na ki tai le lau pun ne ana pom na ju hai jo with sports hai ito executive my with dreams ali jab no standard format hana puma improve so le ni mastermind master plan master vision chu kai pi jo ali le cooperation so ni so to so no PNTM uphold so no PNTM strengthen so ni 22nd tournament hana hai so to so no ja way bu hini so ngale skill way bu ni so ngale skill way mai to zo na mai to zo promote so le stage hai do no kuju stage mai to ro promote so le they don't know ja way shoni ko pe o ti ne to hin za appeal so no be for this today's event inaugural hai sok to so re donate ni ito PNTM executive mai to senior consultative solini ito with tribunals members mai to solini tho pu ma ve na po so ni tho pu ma ve hai ni hapui ni we so lege ju poki ito approach so bini. We have been so honored to have our chief guest here. It is none other than our old people minister ito po mai tie moi ito mo mai tie be moi Manipur my voice ni minister the lishishu minister no the po mai ito mai the lishishu ni one of the most performance minister ito po mai Senapati district tebam no district voice equally responsibility play biju ito Senapati hini so as a godfather jabni darka ju voice so piju hai ito minister the pima venna po so ni be so le ni lo approach so paki ito honorable minister no sa no on the first approach hini ito was so we have nothing to give him, but we will remember our prayers will be with him always throughout. Ito po manake so chutu tulo ito minister jo veju minister he don't differentiate anyone. He don't differentiate his constituency or the other constituency. Ito po mai mo mai hamai ti so chuju mai moi ramai li shishoju ramai li shishoju ito students my organization pu hi vet daule tini vet dau phaki first appointment second ito done tini first puma students my vege tini sasane first in the receive so with minister ito church leaders my tono ve pu daule phaki refuse so khai moni sa san le dishoni so pu minister ito PNTM the via no my member lo telong ju population is ito my pui ana ko organization he ko ju ko paki my population my pai han ju te ha be dawe ana ito ministers PNTM donate na thak khai mo so ni ito last conference meeting ro cultural session he chief guest so piro ito the san lak asapui tini puma so to no put deficit alikote even say deficit ta money puma ito minister no puma sole ana joviro ito PNTM ito via ho ju dope ju ito phoni the pailong ho ju ko ro pino burden hai so pule so pui ni be ito lo dau sa my the hojuro with the ministers it on quomodra like my bay student union by 18 let's show ni financial support his smiles his gestures his lang ya shone it receive so we are call up partial way so te pa mono it minister na chuchu highway sponsor so no ito chilway circle hi khumdai circle hero ito minister ni Hekini Kunda Circle he UPSC aspirant so meto my dole Hekini sponsor so pini bue Juju Kutiro Sapa Madini ito po may mission workers meto pa Holy Land he visit so pa ki sponsor so piju ito sanapati hini darkajo teti for example despite of lot of difficulties jovi ito sanapati hi jovi pandemic tile hero true net ali he puma ito sanapati district donate ni honana more than it costs more than 30 to 35 lakhs but free in sponsorship in sanapati mai pima any disease so pakite so hal video hanan sponsorship in be developmental it pomahin developmental it minister pa minister sore juki ni juju kote mai voice ni ini pomon ma haini so tip pomon ma it ministers Allah ministers the developmental hel lopu be ni be jovi Takure CMW awards ini ito minister hai one of the best performance awards hai ngolai chini luchi shoni bue hana za ngolai bue teni ito chief guest do ni ro mai vai sini pa ta puyo tini ni to za request no be akai khesuni ito pomai hi chile pom ju pomai to jo tournament hi lo feel ali ko lai ja ball ali ngawni goal ali bune goal ali thitu lai ja let us have that common goals together ini pom jo ito circle as be le pona pamata chilo wait ni be circle as to why so to son strength and so circle as to why mai thau as be mai thai tu ne ko ne pu mai volure do ni hakini so like na le biju ija be na le biju ha palai biju mai to ito pomai lishi like kolini ali le babu no so like problem se so problem okay problem bu shi ti ko kolini short of so like kolini solve reason together so like because your problem could be my problem and my problem could be your problems but together we cannot fail but we have to achieve together whatever we have been achieved till today we still have a hope and the audacity of that hope we can and we must achieve for tomorrow. So this is the platform where we bring together all the 46 units and all the leaders and all our seniors we bring together. And this is the time that we have to showcase and we have to strengthen our unity for better understanding and better prospect for our future. We should not have any ism, villageism. We should not have circleism, but we have to be more bonding. No politicals can destroy our futures. Interdenominations or the religions can set us apart, but we have to pray more, come closer to God, and come closer to one another. Together, we can take our Pomai Naga community into greater heights. Yes, we can. Together we can. Long live Pomana, long live PNTM, Puknalim.
Thank you, Mr. President, for orienting us the trajectory of the tournament preparation from the beginning till this day. And also, thank you for the encouragement to the players and emphasizing on the teamwork and also to emphasize on the common good of the Pomai Naga tribe. Now, before we move to the other program, the host village is wanting to give presentation to our delegates. So I would like to request the host to take your time.
Thank you, moderators, for giving me this privilege. Now, we have our Puru Youth and Students Organization to welcome our special guest with their song, Lawai Lawai. Lawai Lawai is an old traditional inherent handed down verbally by our Pumai forefathers and was and is basically sang to welcome our special guest. Here's a brief lyric for the song. O descendant of the announced land, O descendant of the announced land, cared and loved by the befriended woman, O Kuli a happy man, O land of Pumai, O land of the unknown, wandered around the beautiful world, but no land better compared to my Pumai land. Our father walked through the root of the land of Pumai. Our mother walked through the root of the land of the unknown, and hence come together. And that's the reason Pumai and the unknown has come together. May I also have the privilege to call upon our guest of honor, Sri M.L. Markson, former chairman, ADC Senapati, to please accept a small token of love. May I also have the privilege and honor to call upon our chief host, Sri Didi Tesu, Honorable MLA, 47 Karong AC, and former President PNTM, to please accept a small token of love. Thank you, Sir Sri Losadiko, Sri Amal Markson, and Sri Didi Tessel for accepting our small token of love. Thank you.
Thank you, host Puru Student and Youth Organization for the grand presentation and welcome. Now we have the theme song, Engraving Youth. This would be performed by Mr. D. Vayo. Mr. D. Vayo Nino Pa Telepo Pezavile.
J. Engraven Youths. The song mainly emphasized on youth, especially those who are going to take part in this 22 PNTM tournament. You have my song here, and I will be really pleased if you all join me the chorus together. Please.
Shohini June Kuchi Fujiwi My Lesua Dolore Niwi Kuchi Awi Halamushu Jehinu My Bomo Peuso Chiliba Lepona Paumata Lushini Itao Aliba Juni Koshu My Lady Losa Iwi Skill Awi Jay Awi Soon I'll be come Nipulo Sumalashu My Lesua Reload the reload, luggage the tao kaiwa, the fukushu tao kaiwa, Julita the vuda vajola, Chiliba le pona paumata le shini. Itao Aliba Juni Koshu My Lady Losa Every skill Awi Jay Awi Soon I'll be come you they live in life hai new archive more cho thể cả số cô below Ali với lâu you mấy sương là Ali cao you mấy sương là chỉ li ba lơ bỏ na cao mà ta lơ shi ni ít tao Ali ba you ni có you mai lên từ lâu giờ every skill away share away sương áo quý cao đi ta tay bên kia cô với mau nó quêu trẻ với đâu quý cao cô mai vì Long live PNTM.
Indeed, it's a wow. Thank you very much, Kaloshore, Chilivai, Lepauna, Paumata, Jitao Alibai. And we hope to live up to the inspiring theme of the song, that we come together as one, love one another, bring out our best, and then showcase our skills. Thank you very much, Mr. Diveo. Now we have some presentation to the patrons. So I would read out the patron's name, and we would be presenting them with some gifts. First is the star patron. So I call upon Shri A. Simon Peter and Athini family from Saranamai village. Shri A. Simon Peter. Shri A. Simon Peter, star patron, and Mrs. and his Mrs. Let's give a big round of applause to our star patron. Next, the star patron is 2 lakh. Thank you very much. Next, I would request the royal patron, Shri L. Thaiso and his Mrs., social worker from Maiba village, to get ready and to be on the stage. The royal patron is 1,50,000. Now I call upon Shri L. S. Thaiso, royal patron, and his Mrs. to come on the stage. The royal patron is 1,50,000. Thank you. Next, we have diamond patron Shri R.K. Hoppington from Paibung village. The diamond patron is 1 lakh. I request Shri R.K. Hoppington to please come on the stage. Digital patrons mai ji sabai ji mai tei ti bat tau puer request e. Hamai to deva no digital have successful soloria hamai to deva no no. Thank you. Next we have a number of gold patrons. First I would call out Mr. R.S. Henry Hele, former chairman ADC Sanapati from Upper Koide village. The gold patron amount is 50,000. I request Sir R.S. Henry Hele to come on the stage. Okay. Next, we have Mr. P.S. John, contractor from Lakamai village. Thank you. Next we have Mr. Z.J. Titus Zona, entrepreneur Lia Chilao. Thank you. Batauri Chipovel. Thank you. Yes. Next we have Mr. C.H. Happyson, social worker from Sorbung. Hama tamai te hai gold patron se gold patron se 50,000. Thirango. Next we have Mr. P. Kuvio Sampson, senior software engineer, technical lead HPE from Puba Kuman. Thank you. Next, we have Mr. Momai Pazza Philemon, entrepreneur, Paibung Kulen. Next, we have Miss T.H. Abigail from Maiba village. Next, we have Mr. Samuel C.T., Bank Manager, IDBI, Lower Koide. Next, we have Mr. T.H. Sova, Social Worker, Zengane Kumai. Tusungan Ngomne Khumai, I'm sorry. Do we have Mr. T.H. Sova? All right, thank you. Next, we have greetings from various delegates. Firstly, it would be taken by Mr. D. Dailor Pao, President of Paumai Naga Union, PNU. I request Mr. Dailor Pao to take your time.
Very kaya ramai kalau boy have a visual tishitili vipivani. Honorable Minister and Chief Guest of this function, Sri Losodiko, Sri L.M. Markson, former Chairman, ADC Sinapati, Chief Host and Honorable MLA Didi Tesa, former MLA Dr. Alexander Pao, dignitaries in the dais, teams and participants. I, President of PNU, am privileged to stand here to greet you on these special occasions. The host village and organizing committee of PNTN. And I, on behalf of all of us, wishes you a grand stay throughout the event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have greetings from the President of Senapati District Student Association, Mr. Pung Mark.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Respected Chief Guest, Sri Losodiko, Honorable Minister, PhD, Printing and Stationery, Guest of Honor, ML Markson, former Chairman ADC Snapti, Chief Host, Sri Didi Taisi, MLA, Government of Manipur, and former President of SDSA, Dr. Alexander Pao, ex-MLA, all the ADC members, President and colleagues of Paumai Naga Sidau Maime, Paumai Naga Union, Paumai Naga Natu Maime, SDOM, my student leaders, SISA colleagues, NSF, President and team from Rajiba Student Union, my friend, the Verher Duo, the convener of organizing committee and his team, the host team, all the special guests and special invitees seated on the dais, the other leaders and village authority of this Purul Union and the host team. Most importantly, the units of PNTM and participants who are gathered here today. I bring New Year greetings on my behalf and on behalf of the Senapti District Student Association. On the occasion of 22nd PNTM Sports Meet, I'd like to wish all the participants all the very best, and I'd like to congratulate PNTM and the organizing committee for carrying out this tournament in a very grand manner. I could see lots of people and good participation. The preparation, the crowd, the program, the presentation, I really would like to congratulate. As there are lots of speakers to be followed, I will try to take only a few minutes and like to mention only one thing, a challenge on the occasion of 22nd PNTM Sports Meet. I like to mention, rather refer to a person from whose life we can draw lots of examples and cultivate among us, not only amongst the PNTM, but Senapti at large. I'm talking about a lady who is like one of us, whose parents were cultivators, who belongs to a small village, a daughter of farmer, who has brought knowledge to her community, her tribe, to the state of Manipur, and to the country at large. She had a spirit of never giving up. She had patience. When she ran out of financial or support, she prayed, she pursued, she had the perseverance to carry forward, to target, to achieve her goal. I'm referring to a lady, like I mentioned, whose economic background was very poor. And she is none other than MC Mary Kom, who we all know, whom the whole world knows. She came out from a family, from a cultivator, from a small place, not even having a good platform like this compared to us, to all of us. PNTM has produced lots of talents. Brothers and sisters from PNTM has represented in the state level, district level, national level. And we, people from Senapti, we have lots of talents. We have represented in state and national level. The only difference between the lady I compare, MC Mary Kom, and us is, when we come to ground, we play with the sportsman spirit, we become aggressive, we try to win, but we don't pursue for a goal. We don't chase. We give up easily. We have talents off the field. Once the tournament is over, or once the coaching is over, we don't pursue, we don't chase after our goal. We give up to bad habits. We give up practicing. We give up hard work. Today, I'd like to challenge all the players, especially who are really interested to pursue in sports in your future. Play, work hard, never give up, even after the tournament. It will, if you attend or if you become a player, a state player, a country player, if you represent, it will be the image of your village, your tribe, the district, the state. Today, we don't refer Mary Kom as, a Kom tribe or things like that, or the district. We always refer as a lady, a brave lady from Manipur, and the world, the rest of the world, they know her as India, Indian. Example, I like to quote two young people PNTM has produced and who has took part, who has represented in the national, international, who has represented India. Badminton, young upcoming player Kalo and Kovio, who has represented India. We have such player, to name one of them, PNTM has produced. Let us encourage, let us push and support in our village, in our tribe, in our district level. Today, before I wind up, I'd like to appeal the jury board, the organizing committee, PNTM, as you identified the best player or the man of the match, the players of the tournament. Even we, as ISA, would like to felicitate them and then find them ways or platform where they can, go to sports academic if they are interested. We'll find ways. Here today we have a godfather, a role model, minister is among us here. He will help us, he will guide the youths who are really interested. So when you identify, let's not only play and wind up with this tournament. Once we identify the man of the tournament, the best player of the tournament, let us find ways, to place them in a right profession, right institute, so that we, by coming together in the sport meet like this, produce some players which will represent, who can represent the nation, and he or she will bring lots of glory, laureates to our district, our community, and the village, and he will be the proud man or woman. With this few thoughts, I wind up, and I wish all the participants, all the units of PNTM, all the very best. I wish PNTM and the organizing committee 22nd PNTM Sports Meet a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. President SDSA, thank you for encouraging us to inculcate the invaluable values of sportsmanship and also to persevere with hard work in order to achieve our goal. Now, we have another presentation. This presentation is to be given to Sri Gandhi, elder brother to Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. He has also generously donated an amount of rupees 500. 50,000, I'm very sorry, 50,000. I think this is a very good error to create some laughter when everything has become very quiet. Sri Gandhi Sir Jitawai, Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Vai, Brother Puno Jitawai, 50,000 rupees. Thick rango hai Jitawai donate subwe.
I do one on with it. Yay, Hajadi, my own we are the Kitangange. Shigi Sugumba tournament. I did Jagajaga Dumsay. Singing Jagajaga tomato where the Hexay. See, I'm not in a Pamjava Haitare. I was singing, I guess Haitagi, Hogi, Honorable Minister later, I go later. I was singing, can was here. See, gallery chair. I plant over there. Hogi, Haitagi, in the Canota gallery chair. Mamang ida akhoi da pi ngai da akhoi gi mapal kangje bu na lei du da akhoi gallery u na sar ga toram ne ba mi yamna tongman da na tek da na yamna mi shokpo yawe gallery u na saba ure adagi leibak da pham ko po ure ba masi ai gi sai te gi kara nungai je de asi ai yari ga ingam ge help tab je ge ado akhoi gi si ani lei ji da kedam ai gi somateng to bi ado ga ina yas mantri da so adagi director so I pura full support of the guy. Siarga, sai sum do senjar.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for your generosity. Ji puno po kano po to logo justice so hosa more no puno ju power sir ji tau hai no bua gallery so buri no vono so buri pu vasho more tiba dinu puno sponsor so hai gallery so ne pan so to vilera puno ju ji tau hi power. Thank you so much, sir. Next we have greetings from Razaba Students Union. Razaba Students Union.
I bring you greetings, goodness, joy, and happiness from the Reservoir Range. To wish you, asa nafa, memti jipichise. To Miss Moderator PA, Shoshofa Chief Guest Sri Losha Dikko, Honorable Minister PhD. Printing and Stationery, Government of Manipur. Chief Host, DDTS, MLA Government of Manipur. Guest of Honor, Sri ML Markson, former Chairman, ADC Senapati, Sate, dignitaries, Atu Metro, President Puman Naga Tudumeme, the Puvi Colleagues Metro, Special Invitees Metro, Num Shuju Burol, Nu Mutuju a true pume trume metro. I joti tu Nagaland pume mususana hevu la ju he lishisho anu zipashode. Avi greetings English hisu pia belede amakibio I polasumjo. I bring you warm greetings and best wishes on behalf of Razaba Students Union on this auspicious occasion that marks the 22nd PNTM Tournament 2021. I'm delighted to be part of this gathering of the best sportspersons of our Pomai community, and we are extremely grateful for the warm reception and hospitality extended to us by the PNTM, Plural Youth and Students Organization, and the citizens of Plural. I was reliably by your PNTM president that this tournament hosts a large number of villages. I'm sure it is 58 villages. We are indeed truly encouraged and overwhelmed by your show of commitment and unity in bringing all of us together. As you may be aware, Razaba Students Union is an expat student body of the Pomai Nagas in the Phek district of Nagaland, ensuring unity, cohesion, and prosperity, working for the welfare of the Pomai student community in the Razaba range, and upholding the Pomai culture and identity within and beyond the Naga structure. Today, I'm extremely proud to be a part of a greater family, that is our Pomai family. The love and care that we have received here is sincerely the greatest gift that we shall truly cherish, no matter where we lay across the borders. The unity, oneness, and a great feeling of brotherhood is deeply felt within us. We shall always remain indebted to you, my Pomai sisters and brothers. In rejoicing and refreshing the talents of our enthusiastic youths through sports, I would love to congratulate all the participating units, the organizers, the host, and all their organizations and individuals who have made this day a grand success. I must assure that this tournament will bring glory and honor, enlightening all of us a true spirit of sportsmanship and a wisdom to carry forward our Pomai community to a greater height. Let us develop a strong community feeling, a feeling of belongingness, identity, and pride. Let us strive towards innovating love for our culture, cultivating creativity in ensuring unity, designing peaceful coexistence within the communities, and empowering humanity through mutual love and respect for our brothers and sisters. Let us reflect the theme, engraving youth, as the play goes on. Let us nurture our young, energetic mind, body, and soul, and mold them to be a responsive citizen. Let our youth be the light of our tomorrow. As I take leave of my current team in a few weeks' time, I commend to you my successor, Smriti Muchilulia. The president-elect of RSU. I'm sure under her leadership, the relationship between the PMTM and the Razaba Students Union will continue to grow further. On behalf of the Razaba Students Union, I would like to invite PNTM team to the 41st RSU General Session, which shall be held tentatively in 2023. My team and my executive council, my senior colleagues, and the entire reformed family of the Razaba join me in wishing you the best in God's blessing as you engrave the youth throughout this tournament. Truly.
Thank you, Rajabha Students Union. Nimeno haka lishita haka pano. Nimewi wishes prayer painu kaloshore. Now we have contingents assemblage. So contingents mai tau hai teka pa ground hi bupai belere.
Hello check. Hello. Hello check. Hello. Hello. Volume. Hello check. Hello. Yeah. Hello, Pumai Nagatsudomai may BNTM. Pumai Nita Talinu Verbuchu. Unita Talinu Verbuchu. Presidents, secretaries, team managers, players, leaders, like the local metal. Hello Verbuchu, mem team the he. Zovu Italy. PNTM, the 22nd tournament 2021. Hitavulo Pushum team, the hearty welcome so it'll be tournament and here. Jovu team Repumwatacha. 58 teams are set to participate in this 22nd tournament of the PNTM. Joluza compares me aheno. Team to
Introducing, first from the left we have Puba Kuman.
Now from my left we have Kamsong Hupe. Kamsong team now entering into the pitch.
And we have from the left, Tingba Kulen.
The next team from my side, Liai Chilau.
And we have the third from the left, we have the host team.
Welcome to the field, the Lower Tanamba team. Welcome to the field, the Lower Tanamba team.
Fourth from the left, we welcome the Lower Paibung team.
Now welcome to the pitch, the Puba Tapam team. Puba Tapam team.
Once more from the left, we have Katiko Karong.
The next team is the Saranamai Kaiko. Saranamai Kaiko team.
And we have the next team, TNK, Tusa Ngani Kumai from Senapati.
The next team in line from my side is the Liai Kulen team. Welcome to the pitch, the Liai Kulen team.
Moving on, we welcome the Tungam Kulen village team.
The next in line is the Maiba team, with the players dressed in red jerseys. The Maiba team now entering into the pitch.
From the left, may I introduce Ngari Raidulumai Lower.
The next team is Vako team. Vako team.
And we have
to the pitch.
And we have the next team, Shirong Sofu.
Now here we have the Rikumai Tapau team. Rikumai Tapau team.
Introducing the next team from the left, Jingmai Kulen.
The next in line is the Godom Cover team. Godom Cover team, welcome to the football ground.
May I introduce the next team, Ngairi Radulumai Upper.
The next team in line is the Kondai Ngawar. Kondai Ngawar, welcome to the pitch.
Coming up, we have the team from Tungjoy. Tungjoy.
Coming up, the next team, we have Kodom Kulen team. Kodom Kulen team, welcome to the pitch.
And we have the next team coming up, Tungjoy Rikubumai.
Coming up the next from my side is the Sorbung team. Welcome, Sorbung team.
And the next team from the left is Lai Shirafa, the host team of the previous Chilavai tournament.
Welcome to the pitch, the Timba Kunau team. Timba Kunau team.
And we have Ngari Kulen from the left.
The next in line from my side is the Chiang Mai Kunau Zobumai team. Welcome to the pitch, the Chiang Mai Kunau Zobumai team.
And the next team we have from the left is Ngari Kulen, Ngari Lishang. Ngari Lishang.
The next team is the Lakamai team dressed in black jerseys. I mean black track pants and shirts.
And the next team we have is Ngamju. We welcome the Ngamju team.
The next team is the Riafu team. The Riafu team, welcome to the page.
Coming up, the next team we have is Tapo Pyamai. Tapo Pyamai.
Welcome to the tournament, the New Light team. Dressed in black tracks.
May I introduce the next team, Paibung Kunau.
Followed by the Light team, the defending champion team of the PNTMC tournament 2019 held at Lai Shirafa.
The next team we have from the left is Saranamai.
Welcoming the Piapu team. The players entering the field with red tracks.
And we have the next team stepping into the pitch, Tingsong Kulen.
Coming up the next from my side is the upper Koide, the upper Koide team. Welcome to the pitch.
And the next team we have from the left is Liai Kongpao. Liai Kongpao. The Liai Kongpao is also called as the Liai Kalapahar.
Marching on, the next team is the Purul Atongba team. The Purul Atongba team.
And we have the next team, which is none other than Shirong.
Now here we have the Purul Akutpa team. Purul Akutpa team. Entering into the pitch with black tracks.
And we have from the left the Yellow Army's Paibung Kulen.
Coming up the next, we have the Lower Koide team. The Lower Koide team, you're welcome to the 22nd PNTM Tournament 2021.
And the next team is Oname Tapo.
Now, the next is the Kongdai Shimpung team. Kongdai Shimpung team.
And we have from the left, Oinam Hill.
Coming up the next team, we have the Kapau team. Kapau team. You're welcome to the tournament.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce the next team, Kunde Kuman.
From my side, we have the next team, the Kabung team. Kabung team.
And the next team we have is Purul Rosafer.
The last team from my side is the KJ team. KJ team, welcome to the pitch and the tournament.
And we have Kabung Karong in the last place. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the teams which we will be witnessing in the 3 pitches of the 22nd tournament of PNTM 2021. May we give them a big hand of applause and welcome them once again.
Woo!
Thank you and welcome, and we wish all the teams the best of luck.
Wishing all the 58 participating teams in the 22nd PNTM Tournament 2021 a very, very grand success. Wishing you all the best and best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Compass. It is such a wonderful sight to see, and we feel very proud to see such a big crowd. Now we move to the next program. We have the speech from the chief host, Shri Didi Thaisa, Honorable MLA, 47 Karong AC, and former President PNTM.
Biju, my wish 2021 we po asivi New Year we greetings host village thousand paibe rare kaisone tele tawli so harmony I subdul susule ani ini chuk shulabu hanaza host village my thosune I alira chief host alisune local my interest in value the biju my sohi pomosila ji chi dawli pongosule rar kaisune ito function ani ito dunitine taile Kaibigadni, with Chief Guest Superior, Honorable Minister Sri Losodeko, Aliro Ipome Namone, my Aku. I Metolingoe, my Lili ni Pocotil, prominent public leaders Metolilura, school politician Metolilura. I pomena money, my wako, ito pomai money, tribe kuko, Tevudre, Paliza, Tevudre, Mao, tribe hini, Tevudre Maram, Tangal, Modini, Akuhiri, Imetolungobe, Hato Gini Poguni Telesoa Modumra, Hato wishing host village Tausuni. Jadiko Aliro, Velubu, dictators, as go. Public leaders, social workers, and politicians might be the point. Yawit the netone PNTM, the shipini. Purul Tidehi, Velupini. Program Hana Vaini, Kaunani, Pimani, Coachilerduni, ve corporation Pimosie, ve support Supimose, Vepivani. I pome tay ti thosuni aliro I pul host village thosuni neto kallo pobe tekhekoku ito pomena PNTM no lone public leaders me to lone mali ni sani address bo tele so ka modamra ito guest of honor superior jam markson
ex-chairman, ADC, aliro ito former MLA, ja Alexander Paul, then haji sani, aku prominent leaders na seglora, hapil buhira ito the family alisun webra, ipo banai, corporation primosye, had to be moved na, tournament na, strengthen suprimosye, support subumsi de velubra, velubra, hametedi tepeni, hametedi velud bitepeni, I host village method also ni to hidro welcome suju aliro kallo bobe. Aha jibsuni secondly host village we shortcomings tolibura tini will gathered to be matsusuni participating teams method contingents method he pogom shaloji ali be. That's one it is. Very honestly speaking, tournament hana hai. Oh, palida. Issa PN team maitro time to time. Ahi lo koli discussions ni, opinion shares ni, lo suggestor six ni, zipat lehi. Modini host village kola local organizing committee meto. Modini host unit, pull unit student. Organization matter we paku paki ito hi certainty haju telili padli pali corona we SOP ni dai policy so chipa hai chuchu latest ongoing chuchu enforce bi SOP ni ito have ju tournament hai permit supi le musa diju confusion tori biwanra PN team matter program hai well advanced palomovani so within the family sometimes confusion alikalani like the hiccups dodo honi hani takulusi smoothly usually more confusion alipalu those so more confusion alipalu tali dawli takungoi sanavani tavel lobu semeto ipomana neto accommodation arrangement leto accommodate suridun sudaga diu bu hai do petekuti smoothly arrangement jelubani netoi inconveniences tolipire do example holwa sidini purul upper side lovani group toli team toli khagete accommodate chukate asuko hai chu playground hande pi hai periphery sinor toli chukate teni confusion tete kaki confusion gi dijo phali I village ivi contingent hai ma raingoni sole tipaki ma kali kelre tiveta le reporting ma 50 60 tipaki 100 above value tipata leni accommodation arrange sokare the congestion problem paluni receive suju asuko readjust suju rearrange suju hatavan dokko ke inconvenient toli doa teta thebe muni ko arrangement ni timely solumo thepi contingent toli le meni dokko ke light problem toli fesuni khodo hitungo muni light ngo muni khodo waita low parity hodo ni complaints mo bobju team do ni complaints mo ani habebu pachulo ne hatwa wa moe tini I host village me to thosuni e me to thosuni ne to hi hato itoni ito partner failures bedumra ha ito khaipeo asuko youthani youth theini takul onwards takure teche to hia ne to team toni village uni onwards doso done that the shortfalls puge ne to hin that the problem face giti to ito host team purul jutin student organization aliro hati kola tini committee on local organizing committee tini bodili be te information shares will kalole hotuni ne to requirement hai purul hai village be purul hai town city hi provide facilities to which ne to hi pilo hubitumra locally arrange solution ito local ma purul ma level best ne to satisfaction 7% supule do kal jugo de supule sigito to sacrifice ito aitini struggle suche any complaint vejo go ito interest supule ito sus peritani suchi puni ito stand by himbe dichili the host village ma thoso ni to I possible kana pe ito side ni kete mo bu damra ito apologize sura ne to accept su kutin pobra asso chebine asso chebsone ta velu biju pomena taite including Rajbahini paju ipomenato lisi shoju Rajbahini biju ipomenato ipomenani purulhi tabe tournament ali sujole sawa jole kole ti tabelo hai ne to bu as gutama ne to tidehi velubra ne to kihi velubra ne to hai akibe ti chopeo ne to ni velube hai purul ipoma headquarter poma center ne tele tauli zama pema poma ni phapagi ne takuji center ba hati purul ni biju ne to ni zoju ne to ni bubu toju shoju to shoke visi modini hati biju dekhai visi I purul tedai ni pabin na to visi ipoma nabe ipoma to shobe ipoma bube ipoma center be ne hai I semeki vai do ali widani ho birati zipul mone I anghi bibibrai atai nei bibibrai I apoma center bibibne sa sagan bibibne I haro host village thousand ni to ni khobra suppose next point ali sone game and sports ka haku cheju PNTM tournament hanavani ito vedara hanavani ito honorable minister ito chief kesu velura asugo hanavani iro chief host alisun ne to honzu palabe velu biju ha devani ge tipagi games and sports one ito vedabra sadune I hai second last point chune game and sports one chikolli hali masuhi shersun noju I pomendambe I pome lissimo di polo hai poco lechi to I pomena litebne I pome concern bra matsosuni PNTM ni conduct subi tournament hana support sura concern to pobra so strengthen supuna promotion na this ali bitebne che to share super di popa taku leju police ko pohasho ko pongosho ko pokircho ko I pome tournament hana kakini aphol chukoge kakini pusuku koge dijo identically ini chuju masuhi talawi bisuko dila masukulin share sujil gin pamna telepo solema ipoma tournament ka haiko jeju telepu solen it havi debure ipoma tournament horeka I nalisho bigi velulumoni we witness lumoni misuju tournament a hasil lomal asको को last 2-3 tournaments political I previous tournament pu ngari in hoso hai tenadbu again my bani hoso hai tournament to I part we witness lumai I miso hai dasuwani ge bu ku bini biluwani dasuwani ge nalle me kolnoju ralaju noju talibhi ni bujuko tero velu bus mane I ponira dali tenala phoke wan sana vetel moju savani itegi miss ali haibe ani last 1-2 tournament I witness mose starting he initial stage tournament a hasili miss se tidumra tek lubu tournament to hi iro pomena lisuni iro homena lisuni iro youth student alisuni velu kude velu tu bohe ralla de be ipoma ralla de paju trap ipoma ralla sumna ju trap ipoma hakini ved nikoleni chicha phabiju modini sita lawsuju ta talisu ipoma hata enjoy su trap aliti pora ani games and sports di papake ipoma ramali sipini ngipot hapene asukua ngipot hapene trap du hapene team ro pobe ba bulini vedre dijugo tele tawli we khalmani horani khagodi kola team po basgo tele lo shoba ba haihini problem dodo face ju ngomo bi mai that problem face ge tournament bu sani organize bi PN team me to has semi bra positive money and masud ki pothu kolen ni potura program so we money ti moi so state masu corporation poi mo wani ti moi and every tournament chesugo PN team hai financially deficit tare shortage bure hana pabuzali host village ro hagi problem every tournament after every tournament pomo ngokai sibe we dobuju villages meta mai visin ate chhode ni chola sibe hagi with the example le ito kalloe PNTM rasi sete ito pomet de hia nonna kutera simoju mai ha kini mai visi sibu rakusini ito de photo tare ito visi thotare condolence alira sutosuni conduct sopure kallo pora PNTM 1991 he tournament hanada purul bani hosu dekho rasini teteli acting president PNTM PTD pomet dume teteli so asukula history pama ini hali incident ni to hi kolin share sudna bani pagumra I purul union president soni kolini organize hoso tournament come conference tini sugat ni 12 days li village ni schedule sugati bagi ito go problem daw palu ni prolong su 14-15 days ni go budget vai surape local mer burden to pop asuko ko khai PNT matter problem to pop khai go ju host village ma to ha ju PNT team color discord je beta dawli palu ni ngai zo ni settlement pull over solution ngau community talko mane so the crisis ra pho ju problem dawli pa ju that's one chana pagong gi yo you tournament hane 58 teams football khagone happeni la he volleyball modern ko games to tollu he te to de ko le phagi team 58 di college ito vi system ni da gi yo group stage is a league ni ko ju te ka ju lo le sa te to lo re so te to ko pe adi 12 days 15 days 14-15 days slated for that pokai de doesn't have coach ne I purul ni hosoleti bagi PNT ma purul hos village ma understanding maintain so that's okay digi yo standardized playground asu ko pyo tini pora I purul me to sovui mo bidumar ito has playground ali atongba be I purul center ground return ne ali o purul reception be tetoro more or less standard higher been so good dibra wisine hato always use standardized playground as biwane tournament hai 15 days ni ko conclude chulbe mal god forbid problem ta ali le palon disturbance lo ni prolong so mathe pi mane I ha hi ti ponara ani ye hanani ju ipomui tournament bi norms anani pattern system anani taku khai ta khabil ji ko ipomute ni ito reality ro accept so leke jingo leke ipoma tadikara ani I poma nagame de kime ito ni ngisu biju ito ni ngisu khaga ju ngi to landscape veli tama very rarely purul maro na ju village ni distance tol tani hati playground alingora aso ho rosupero kegaltil meni atte ko ni kemso to ho kero problem bile I PNT me to sport official me to request na le hatta ko ni accommodation pakati me to dosho ho ke kole to uni timely so da kadi bile arrangement uni timely information puli mo ko punctuality maintain so bi na ko crisis problem palawe jubra sadune sabje setu ali sutupa playground asso so kadi ipo me te di landscape oi mo ni me to the kipoi ni da strategically da pipe me head hunting te di ni hali condition so ro da so ni te town khai ko pabilu ni playground standard ground as modern ali ko tre we bu hali ni ro tolibra ni hasu ni hang ni ju ni chingi bi ju ni playground as modern standardized playground ali ko de phobu hat le he ipo me you 58 teams we collect ne we bu tele he 58 teams to the group toluso palune group stage likoleti tele he playground alini tournament hane bulleted go 2-3 months go ye ben bikul wi situation li bela asoko phale the playground has go kole mati papa ki I purul ma thosu pa ma personal opinion ba purul hini khali ju tournament na hosure next year again hosule then coming year go again hosukale ti papa ki purul bani solo ju asoko sozo muju reasonable ti question ali pale ha ge chi tolu ba saduni hanavi system ni takuba ju after 2 3 4 5 years ipomagi tournament hosu pin nadamro playground hate bini field hate bini playground tournament hosul ka sire dini hosu poli ngi adini facholo ju poha dalili ko bala ni field sura chu ini chopi machine share sura saduni hadi any personal opinion ale share sura ju khai ko re so please bear with me jeju le hagi sulu ipoma dasuni poga leaders me to prominent leaders me to ha daisi vision bukura kolini chojo lekin pobra Pali the World Cup example the shone sachukle World Cup the buhi qualifying match John that is cup sa gadne poli has ko koloni poda jibini go juju nearly increase of 32 teams from 32 countries one is cheche kapaloni World Cup ko ba ma ipo ma 58 by he doko 60 kemala so ko pohas so ko 60 78 kemala registered revenue government recognized revenue villages poini cheki village parliament ipo ma telabra so doni zero newly settled village recognition 6 shooter bu he government grants of payment ba poli le veni pohale veni podango le veni village adango kiro increase kelsa village che mache ti papa ki dai village je le poju problem bi face la ko World Cup we imitate sort of teaching patron to the voice of it applicability to it or podum da sibra. Ipuma lero pora circle wise the politidumra tossus as lepona ponda chileve, either team song or supera, sotosune, as go pora manner court mentions so chirulura. Hato, they go circle washing daddy ledum la pona powder chilo madam pale chile vedum very clear cut chipal cluster system medum ku bibra phabung circle congress circle chile circle pale the I pomota hira ngidu khai ngi pui pu moi pale the leisure circle tungjo circle nako pito team ki participation lete to polus je hakini da phebaga ni group stage go because era tete expenditure of incursu somo local money bersol go khai last 4 last 8 okay last 8 demra quarter final teleni bi fully identify chokani bi hona ni ve tournament ni tepaini ko program aku akaru thuli temra academic oriented activities tawle pali the competition level games level dada academic oriented programs tawle to puluni tate 3 to 5 days le so tosun bigo host village ro burden tetare asoko pen team metro burden tetare habibi system ali pokuthu dailero korumobu tine ahi zali chobiwane awi thotana masuni shersura masuni kaunani kipe kau komodo chu phale chi moi ani kaulu bisu kotli ipomodo ni ten convenient bele host village to ten convenient bele aliro PNTM organization PNTM to ten convenient bele ko solo ha solo se tebe ni solo ten ni smooth pule hina ten ni leipule ten shersuna chief guest pomoi guest of honor chi pomoi tene I tele popular moi last point khaisone Ipome tribe in Nagaben Jata Apil Subra Kato Jai, Soto Jai, Karo Tulake, Suru Tulake,Asuku Le Pokini, To Biju, To Soto, Ipome centrating, Ipome to Ito Ika Isu Vetuberin, Topio, enjoy Supio, and Tolune. Ito hali maintain so lege ito kobigi apil subra domoi temper control su jolake temper control su jolake game hi zan no ju contact games body ku tatsu ni ko ju games to hi lakha pahabra temper pahabra sentiment pahabra zawin pabra so ko game si discipline havani enforce laza haja supervisor polo law enforcing agencies ito apply su tamo hai so le ne to khama sama ne to colleague ma dawli masulusi ma dawli ne phali the sport officials su ni referee su ni board of jury members su ni bito ma dawlu si pra hai to cooperation pe ni so hai to ni poika decision in case of any in the event of any dispute so iti lo hoju condition ali bidno board of jury me to ne ve phare ko tena final and binding by the ownership ne ipo me value participating teams me to we si kaudani alina ali chkhuni alina ali khuhauni alina ali respect suni akhai kuti gopyo asuk lakhani pan bidno lakhatana ponani ipo me interest ni ipo me havere dune tournament hini ito game sport promote sukha lerdune aitini mai visi chupyo asuk neto so ngao neto we kon na ju hatu bu pu de ni pokko wapagi dachulege khahio mai visi ni champion ngol mai we ka ju discipline wise asuk experience wise asuk kyo bodun masuduni koju masuduni individual hibu team game hibu phalida masuduni koju masuduni we team to pe mani champion ngolu theo i visu in pora ni khabla kalosore thank you all
kalosore honorable MLA Sri Didi Thaisa nino pu ali kheka no jita guide so to we no ha pai chem or any limitation bo ba feel free to approach no jita encourage we tito mano you shared your wisdom which you have accumulated over the years and then you encourage so that we don't ludu tamamano so tolo la devana ni wisdom share so to pino kalore we are very grateful to have you thank you very much sir jo takulai program nahi sir few presentations we still have so I hand over to the organizing committee for the presentation
to presentation surahi jitano with utmost sincerity we apologize for some little inconvenience due to the different timings of the arrival of our guest. Jitono ju jitsu paran ha sequence ne chotolo lamre sebana mansuhi ala ju presentation puyamatahi jitove amma an ha khone be. Yes that ju presentation puyavana jito president PNTM ne honor ha pasupe ne ju president invite so be stage hi. Arai Khasanu, Inno D. Dialord Pau, President, PNU, Pumai Naga Union. Next, we have Inno Pung Mark, President, SDSA. Thank you. Next, we have Inno Pung Mark, President, SDSA. After which we have President, Razaba Students Union. We also have Pumai Notumaimi President, Madam Delilah. President Razaba Union, Sata President Pumai Notumaimi, Madam Delilah. Madam Fuller Eliza, President Senapati District Olympic Association. President Senapati District Olympic Association. Next, we have Dr. V. Alexander Pau, ex-MLA. May we invite our ex-MLA to stand on his feet and receive our token of love and appreciation. Next we have Inno Alexander Michael, MDC. Inno Alexander Michael, MDC. Sata Inno Atili Saksher, MDC. Inno Alexander Michael, MDC. Sata Inno Atili Saksher, MDC. Thank you. Sata Inno KH Sapuna Puba, MDC. Puba Hinevabu, MDC. Inno KH Sapuna. Sata Inno RK Totri, MDC. May we invite the guests to stand on their feet and receive our token of love and appreciation. Inno RK Totri, thank you. Inno KD Reiner, MDC. KD Reiner, MDC. Inno KH Sapuni, Lakamai, MDC. Lakamai Nevebu, MDC. KH Sapuna. Sita Inno TH Diben, ex-MDC, advisor to NPF, MSU. TH Diben. Sita Inno Atiu, ex-MDC. Inno Atiu, MDC, ex-MDC. Sita Inno A. Losher John, ex-MDC. Inno Losher John, ex-MDC. Sita Inno Jacob, ex-MDC. Inno Jacob, ex-MDC. Next, Inno RK Kaba, ex-MDC. Next, Inno S. Thaili, ex-MDC. Inno S. Thaili, ex-MDC. Next, Inno Soni Matthew, President, NPF Senapati. Inno Soni Matthew, President, NPF Senapati. Sita Inno Dilly Moses, Special Contractor. Inno Dilly Moses, Special Contractor. Next, Inno Motovi Ri, former General Secretary, Chekasan Students Union. Sita Rekha Rose, social worker, entrepreneur, Zavamai Village. Inoli Rekha Rose, social worker, entrepreneur, Zavamai Village. Sita Inno KS Paul Leo, former president, UNC. Inno KS Paul Leo, former president, UNC. Thank you. Sita Inno RB Panna, former president, PNTM. Inno RB Panna, former president, PNTM. Sita Ino Akadana, former President PNTM, and also former President PNU. Sithe Ino Kole Silas, Principal, Pural Higher Secondary School. Ino Kole Silas, Principal, Pural Higher Secondary School. Sithe Ino PS Paute, President, Pural Union. PS Paute, President, Pural Union. Sithe Ino PP Ronald Pau, SDO, Tadubi. Ino PP Ronald Pau, SDO, Tadubi. Sithe Ino RS Abel, Vice President, Hill District Badminton Association. RS Abel, Vice President, Hill District Badminton Association. Sithe Ino Hisho Choro, Special Contractor. Hisho Choro, Special Contractor. Sithe Ino Sile Anthony, Deputy Registrar, JNU. And we also have Ino SH Dana ex MDC from Kodom. Sithe Ino Silas, ex-president PNTM. Sithe Ino J. Kumo Shah, former president PNTM. Sithe Ino SN Shipu, NPF working president. SN Shipu, NPF working president. Sithe we have Father T.H. Daza. Father T.H. Daza. Father T.H. Daza is from Fusaro. Sithe we have Ino Joseph, former president, Ansam. Former president, All Naga Students Association, Manipur. Sithe President, Senapati District Sports Association. President, Senapati District Sports Association. So we have Ino Kuwayung, Secretary, Education, Naga Students Federation. Ino Kuwayung, Secretary, Education, Naga Students Federation. Next, we have Haiko Ken, President, Rengma Students Union. Haiko Ken. So we have Hachu Hilo, Vice President, Rengma Students Union. Ino Hachu Hilo. So we have President, Mao Students Union. President, Mao Students Union. Ino Maraiko. Next we have Ino Taiba Sana, social worker. Ino Taiba Sana, social worker. So PNTM matano zuwi program hi we item sup we yes ta sa sthapai mato hi give titim ngoni sabana jitsu ba mato pu be tolai Inoli TH Deborah Livero, PNTM Miss 2020 and Tournament Ambassador. Inoli TH Deborah Livero. So that we have our moderator, Inoli Pavine Paulina Y. Inoli Pavine Paulina Y. So that we have Reverend B. James, Executive Secretary, PNBA. Reverend B. James, Executive Secretary, PNBA. So that we have Ino Livingston Lana. So that we have Ino D. Will. D. Will. Chu Pueblu D. Will. Hanaha Jitovi Zovu PNTM with tournament 2021 with tournament he theme song composer nai. Yes, next we have President Purul Union. Presentation ha juve hanasira akasesele pupi ma to hi jito we give ha tai bima asaso pupi wana tolo powe yes ta president ne pa lala ne pima to give na ha pupi wana pupi ha tolo powe. Thank you.
Thank you, organizing committee. Now we have greetings from Mr. Mariko O. Lerina, President Mao Student Union, MSU.
Thank you, moderator. I'll be very brief. My highest respect to the President, PNTM, Mr. Isaac Tovner, the chief guest of today's function, Sri Losudekho, Honorable Minister, PhD in Printing and Stationery, Government of Manipur, our guest of honor, Sri M.L. Markson, former Chairman, EDC, Senapati, chief host of today's this PNTM tournament, Sri Didi Thaisa, Honorable MLA 47 Karong, and also the former President PNTM. My greetings to ex-MLA Sri Alexander Pal, the host village, and also the Purul Youth and Student Organization, leaders of NSF and its units, leaders of ANSAM, SDAC, and also the dignitary on the dais. It's such a privilege to be invited at this platform to stand before you here. I bring greetings, warm wishes, and a message of brotherhood on behalf of the Office of Mao Students Union, as well as the Mao community. At the outset, I thank our Almighty God for giving this beautiful opportunity to come together and rejoice together. Today, I stand here echoing the voice of Michael Rabu, where all our journey started together as one family. Today, we are all settled in different parts. However, the spirit of brotherhood still lives inside of us, and I stand here today to reaffirm our relationship. Let us continue to spread the message of love and peace through our unity. I'll speak in my dialect, and I'll also speak in Pola as well. I choose you, Mao Student Union President Sobwe, and now just kindly allow me to speak a few lines in Pola as well. Asa shere, ava shere, juhaka, permala, mamala, jidavi office MSU bu, sa PNTM bu, sakama, so takima, mama welfare laho, perma welfare hi haka, jidano unity alibua, alili understand so haka, chu Isaac Vitene here, chu Vitene here haka. This year, so taza hana vas sa kowe. Tikano, I have a tenor cheba. Joke, ve grow leaders metahia. You have a spirit of brotherhood. Na hana apolsapio the pomsa hana kabwe. So taking this opportunity, I sincerely thanks the organizing committee as well as the office of PNTM for this special invitation on this auspicious occasion, for which I also would like to take this opportunity to honor and pay our highest respect to a brother, a friend, the president of Pomai Naga Students Union. I invite him, a small token of love and appreciation and as a sign of respect from the office of Mao Students Union. And coming back to the tournament, I wish all the participating team all the very best. Let your success be a glory to God. And also, may the spirit of our forefathers and our ancestors continue to guide us towards unity and brotherhood. May the good Lord God bless us all. Jida pomana kayisolo. Long live PNTM Kognalim. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mariko Olerina, President of Mao Student Union. You have showed the sense of brotherhood in spirit and symbolically. Thank you very much. Now we have the speech from the guest of honor. So I request Shri Didi, guest of honor Shri M.L. Markson, former chairman ADC Senapati, to take your time.
Moderator to the Pivano, moderator Tralode, Zum Quabuzoita, President PNTM, Uvi colleague metal. Ya, have a sotilia VP Javano, Traloe, Zovovi, 22nd PNTM Sports Meet, have a chief guest sope, Sir Diko, Puvitili. Habuima, Pomana, Licia, Tavo have a Bubijavano, Pukalopawe, PNTMV, tournament Hapavito, as well as so, either chief horse of a either Zere Digitessa, either Zovo, PNTMV, tournament Haya Panovia Sologajano, Ino Magalega Ligi Chomopum there. patron metal Pumanaga Union with President, PNM President, Alapo have a colleague metal. Either Swahi, Tavulobuze, either national worker, so Tavulobuze metal. It's either DC Council member, SDC Council member, ex-MLA, Church, Baptist, Catholic, Revival, Tatalino, Bobuzoita, Church leader metal. Tatu Tagzu, organization of Bobuzo, either leader, dies in Bobuzo metatom, is a respect, honor, Hanas, Pue, tribe, Tatu, Tatuzaino, Tavulo, PNTMV, conference, and sports meet, and Tavulo Pibuzo, Mem, the greetings, as Hajo. Respect, honor, Hanasi, Pumtahia Pimgoboy. Namata Traya drop by Tili Asole Pano Labuhe Jipozum appear Rarobe, Jipomos Hobia Rarobe, presentation Pim Pova Sara Robe, Dukino Totale, Dukino Solole, Johateva, either Tili the Tabube, Namata. Tilia Zerdali, a co beers of you. Zoe Ido Hava Tavu Pumana was Zerbutiliki, a legit Mutuli Bue, Alia Vata Mutuli Bue, Ali me so shortly Bue, then as a day is a Ito, Zere, Resurashi, Zo Ito Shohim Bumudovano. Mi so shole, Zopo, it a him botago, Coleno, Bonusa, Jogsa, Meli sauce habule, a trico gathering bubale, it is a Bonusa leader so lele, na zo it a his na hair, it a zo me so shobude. Na, did you promise a Magamora tale, Magamona tale, is all Ramaville program is the bar, there's ole. Ito zereza pano ko nyazo bui pano soteo zo hana pawe zo hava tavo zabujit liki organizing committee metano ahi koe ahi pawe vulupeo ya pawe as ai lolo hole ya im pawe liki PTM program here tilito le lole matuma pano lo ige sir de kone Kasaka vis tepa, sir de Kovule, Jiliki, Nevu Motako, sir de Konoz Pile, Ya Poivano, E Malalusia, program Hai Vue, Tralotawe, Havazo program here Panuvulua, Zo PNTM V tournament, highest participation history, Sobui Haya Ya Havavazaz, Zolozovano, Traloe. Organizing committee met a tralo popue, Kaleloza Yevuni Moboe, na have Loloke, Rako Vide ya Pomatahi, Tralo Chi as a Pamgai. Zota Volobozo Metale. Ito have a Bobutiliki, the Sumeto, Lara Sumeto, Mamti, you know, Hai Tavulo boy. Nalukaino intellectual metal. Mamti, you know, Hai Tavulo boy. Docho for leaders or Mamti, you know, Han Tavulo boy. Then no in a quality for Nisus list that day loser. Ito, Kiss Nanapo, Town Zere, New Kiss Nanapo, Hana, Lishipua, Shololeke, Zohanaya, Rerelezoi, Pomoni. Zo example Kali. Ito, Pumana, Manipur, Hinolo. MLA so minister so buzo habutiliki. Ida townzer so buzo mama poma za townzer she ige. Ida sir de khobuye ya pomana no zi dia li dia tavu kya butiliki. Tavu pabutiliki. O townzer mano ida kabu teje i vupile daza vupi mole ya tavu lupiwe. 对了，当然个，一部门那喏，别说不是这里个，大部分 process 不是这里个，哦，一过来看嘛，他过来看来，这就是 MLA 说的，啊那大部分这就是，因为 minister 说不是吧，因为苏老师那是一说了在也不能对吧，一到部门那些啥个巴布啥出比如，还在过来就这里个，他们这说不就，我们那说呢。他不是买礼物不是这里个，若一到家西部他个啊，主位么不他个，无比么么拉的，哎，那么到一到外部个好丢不丢好不个，主比么么拉哎，啊那一到家位不啊里西部就还，但就个那个位，不买出口了那个位，哎，一部嘛还不是买的，其实那不家买到了，哎，他们这里说。Polo Ivano, Ipuma, Rokovish Hode, Yaista, Power. So no, Ipumanato, Ito Pumanano, Kisnana Pozo, Sa Kosh, Rabuto, Mama Mashama, Tanga, Zilang, Motankul, Jakeshan, Angami, Yabobuzo, Hatahe, Kavipo, Latapo, Shlodago, so sir the quality, Momana Litri have a bobu here, that have either. Kula pilovizo, lishi pilovizo, mama lazo hava vupulovizo chan buhe zo ana zaisa. Ida taunzera kisnana pometa kavila tash leke zo ana isa pomngoe. Vago melike kavilo ma. Ipomena nulia kisnana poso buzo neve nu no kisnana poso buzo nu alia. Ida kavipulo la tapulo shreleke. Nu ali nuali kavia la tazu li trip ma ida kis naso buzo la nui no kis han za wo buzo kis nana pote na ida akwa kavia li shia la ta shro le ke zo hana zai zo tabulo buzo ma khom ta hin zo po na ma ta ya li khai pu nie tu li ta li e po ma kusle ro li sulu nie kavia bulu nie o li shia akwa bulu nie ana tabu dia ipo mai factor asli kuslerovilo hozo factor asli boe ya istamu joy tazano po sobula neme study school ngole ana number 1 ipo mai party with spirit hena la sola idahi leader vi mshupalo hode leader vi palo molwa sino society hai jo ko vi hino wa thalo holo Govino, Vu Cavilo, Eh, Macha Mazino, I pros have Lolo Holo, Hawaii Pumahie, Ataloha, Cavilo, New Levy, candidate, Hey Pabzilike, Nulino, Abalo, Nulino, Ma Townser, Roino, candidate Pabke, Townselino, Abalo, Yellow, have a party with spirit and I. La Soloida here, Havana, Hanavana, Ipumana, Kusuliro. Kavila tho ye han ha ita hin volume bue ye stam joy ajono power bu shobu zo na lume do za sme do leader vi phamoshi ya leader vi mo je reject so ma tumas da so zodolo ipu ma hin leader vision vi bu zo leader vi to le phalo ida pumana hazuno shvipu hazuno kavipu hazuno la特步手来开，是的，一部拉特步模子人们都弄，但是如果那么 misguide 出了为主 ，mislead 出了为主，还或者为高为弱为呢，有了么子白，等侬那里面的拉人都那么的 intellectual 么的，那么的阿去进呢拉了 justice 还呢，说出了么些做那意思，那么的一帮人呢，就一道，大部罗不是地里给。我们到底，那么到底，如果哈瓦大部老不是这里个 sports， 阿里 solo 嘞，也大部老不是这里个，那么到哈维 solo 大陆模式，那么到维大来那维那就不把我大陆模式，那么到维 character 啊维那就我大陆模式，那么到维皮多维那就我大陆模式，哎，那么到维。atrocity， 哎，你们特别知道，还到还不把我们所以说都是蒙熬呀，大陆某些， ô tên là kỳ phu tên là kỳ po vi số đề ngô vi số đề song vi số đề ê tên mà reward pizza tên mà ít certificate tên mà issue số coi ya pa mà số nè trả lo pa nè pa có xưa nè song vi tao đi ya pa nó số lúc cái rồi ít chỉ một chỗ lo một些ê như vậy ashram mà hay là số tổ lo một些như nó ta vô lo bớt chỉ liki như nó ta pa bớt chỉ liki như mà bác khalo giá trị pa pastor nó deacon nó như ở chỗ mà ta nó ashabia nên mà ta pa lo bớt chỉ liki nên mà ta hanover shrub bớt chỉ liki nên mà ta hanover nên mà ta kuchuma la shrub ấy thôi nên cả lệ đấy nên mang lệ đấy hay là nên mà ta hiện bác khai pini cho nó ít là vì program hi nó cả li bao nhiêu buổi character high thôi character nam high vậy thôi ham ti high vậy chứ ya bao nhiêu là li buổi cho nó dù vô tournament hay nó never character sum si so character sum si sa ya như khai ra vậy thôi như mà nó na rồi đấy nè tự nó cặp lo rồi cho vậy nó never character han hay có chú mà so lu sozo character hinu shra mai so ko va mai so za mai so fogo problem so to bizo hata ma tarala so le mo khe zo hana ze zo tabulo buzo nalima ta hi approach we zo nalima ta hi pau ni zo li za 2021 mo for na mo for tia chia we ito zo no mo for we ya follow nima to ito how we so talo mo shi ito pomana kala inu pawe politics ino interest lole java ino party vi system party vi spirit na pole java no ali shie ya pawe a hai gu chu hi ipomana hava a drop zu tiliki praise na likhe mu chola praise na follow mo she la phi bat mademazia e praise gol me potu bige jasa tele dala ho sulo azbalo nule azbalo nule kya vi mulo ground hinulo adala anila ya tava sota zo ma loso ka dobe savano zovu nalimeta nemeto tiluhin loza dano ta azava be dano ta ashavala ta be dano tromo chumo ta be dano titil mongo trole anna cha trobe ya bobu zu vi ya zovo history of vi na sa ida fa dakhada lo mo shi e ha wa zu zaino neme to hin popu zu ko pu zu ko nya to ya trolo ma ko nya to ya solo so ji lo press mm ti no ngo to lo ma to le press ngo la ma to le je vi fa ta lo la ma to le ya sang ngo la ma to le some ve ya certificate to le ngo lo ta tra ya ba mo shi so no ta vu lo bu zo na lu ma to I to hi ha wa zo za han hai zo vu ne ma unity vu lo ka vi foundation e kalili lishia ta ko lo ka vi foundation e kalili zevia kya via la tha shlar vi foundation ka li zo la zo vu sports made hen hino ha wa zo I to khusli ro vi zo kya vi la tha zo hana pa no vu pu lo theo zo hana ye pa ya ha kha zo le zo no zo vu ta vu lo tro le ta vu lo bu zo mem ti za best wishes pie mem ti no so no so ma phi ba cha shu to ra a tro ko ti lo e mem ti no press no zo so lo zo hana pa ye kha zo le ka lo de.
Thank you so much, Carlos Sri ML Markson. Nino po mai devano ram po mai jitoy mai lishitoa mai po mai devano concern pitoa mai unity bulo lishi bulo ra advice pe Carlos Sri youth mai tawa to focus on the discipline and the sportsmanship tine advice pe no Carlos Sri. Thank you very much. Next, we have one program which is choreography from the local. Are we ready with the choreography? Choreography mai to ready so bu ho. Okay. Choreography we music ready so bu pai phada.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna